Man, this sucks.
Open that one later. Everything. Shift knob.
It is shift knob. One that won't fall off.
Oh! You can open
That's from Stratt.
That's the thing. Who wrapped this?
Oh.
A mirror? Yay!
pull it up.
Wait, pull it up.
A dick knob.
What is that? Do you want the wrapping paper back?
Just rip it. Just rip it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Very on brand.
Oh, another shift knob?
I got 3 shift knobs? Whoa! Awesome.
I gripping it like that.
Another shift knob!
It's a reverse lockout because yours is fucked up.
Yay. Thank you!
Yeah.
Thank you, everybody!
That's a good cock.
Nice cock, bro!
Hey, dick slap someone.
Look how big that cock is.
It's there. Now try to fit it. I feel like that guy's not in the right place anymore. Can I just leave it like that?
Yeah, you can leave it like this if you want.
Hey! Hey, you! Hi, Juice!
Baby Johnson.
My car! Ah! Juice, get in the car!
So yeah, this material does not get hot.
Yeah.
Good. Try it. You like it? Try it out.
Oh, it feels so good. Can we just try?
Huge shout out to Raceseng for sending me these awesome shift knobs. I wanted to surprise Jane with the new shift knob because the one that came in her Subi was really janky and the threads were all messed up, so it eventually broke off when we were driving.
Dude, what the
What the hell? I'm not that strong. I'm not that strong.
We tried other shift knobs, but she didn't really like the feel of the other ones, especially the old reverse lockout. It was constantly loose and always rattled. Now with the new Raceseng shift knob, everything feels much better and everything including the reverse lockout feel perfect. They even asked me if I wanted one for myself, so I ended up grabbing one for my E36 M3. I was pleasantly surprised by the feel of their shift knobs. Jane's shift knob was spec'd out by me. Her grip is also made out of Delrin, so it doesn't get extremely hot or cold to the touch. The one I have on my E36 is super solid and has a really good weight to it. The packaging was awesome, install was a breeze, and everything just feels top-notch quality. Head over to their website if you want to purchase some of the best shift knobs. They also have a bunch of other accessories like tow hooks and lug nuts too. You can even fully custom spec out your shift knob with some crazy colors as well.